All right, so I was having a little bit of technical difficulty, so we'll have to make do. So on page 397, number 7, they're asking us to fill in the table of values and use it to draw a graph of your equation. Label the scale and axis as appropriate. So in number 4, we found this equation. I just want to mention that we found our y-intercept here, and for number 5 and number 6 we found our x-intercept. And so in 7 they want us to fill in this table, so clearly we have 0, 200, 400, and 600 as our input. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find the correct quantities for outputs for 0, 200, 400, and 600. Okay, hopefully we're getting the same thing. So as you see, we have, for the x's, we just have positive inputs, but for the y's, we have both positive and negative outputs. So we're going to need the first and the fourth quadrants there. So x, y, and remember our input was the units sold, and the output was the profit in dollars. Okay, so let's go up by 50s, maybe 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 500. Probably should have skipped a little space there, right? That would have been nice. Let's see, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750. Okay, there we go. And then let's go up by 500s on the y-axis. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Okay, so I just felt like it would be better use of our time for me to just pause this and fill out the scale. All right, so let's plot the points that we have here. In fact, why don't you pause this and do that, and let's see if we're all matchy-matchy. Okay, so I plotted the points here, and I think I didn't do too badly, right? They at least line up. That's nice. And let's see if I can actually get, oh, this looks very bad. Sorry. Pretend that's the best line you've ever seen in your life. Okay, so let's look at number 8. Just maybe want to pretend that that never happened, okay? All right, so number 8 says find the number of units to make units needed to make a profit of at least $500 a week. So at least means it needs to be greater than or equal to $500 for the profit. And so what was our equation? See if I can find it again. Okay, 12x minus 2,550. Okay, so let's solve this by adding 2,550 to both sides. And we get 12x is greater than or equal to 3,050. So dividing both sides by 12, we get x is greater than or equal to 254 and 2/10. So they need to sell 255 or more units. Because if they sell 254, that won't be enough, right?